Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copyright your music. First, understand that copyright protects your original musical composition and sound recording. You'll need to prepare your music files in an acceptable digital format. Also, gather all required personal and work details for the application process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient registration. Next, visit the official U.S. Copyright Office website to begin your application. It's crucial to select the correct application type for your musical work, whether it's a single song or an album. Take your time to carefully complete all sections of the online registration form, ensuring accuracy in every detail. Double-check your entries before proceeding. After filling out the form, you will upload your musical composition and sound recording files. Make sure all uploaded files meet the specified format and size requirements to avoid delays. Finally, pay the required filing fee, which is typically around $65 for a single work. This fee covers the processing of your application. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation of your application. This registered copyright provides significant legal protection for your original musical creations. It establishes a public record of your ownership, which is invaluable in preventing unauthorized use or infringement. This process secures your rights as a creator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.